Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share key for test series 2. Which of the following molecule has highest bond strength? In general, triple bond is having greater strength than double bond than single bond. So, we have to examine each and every molecule. So, in H2 molecule, single bond is present. In HCl molecule, single bond is present. In nitrogen, a triple bond is present, whereas in oxygen, a double bond is present. So, option B, that is nitrogen molecule contains a triple bond and hence it exhibits highest bond strength. The electronegativity of element A is 0.9 and that of element B is 3.6. The bond formed between A and B is, if the electronegativity between the two elements is greater than 1.7, it results in the formation of an ionic bond. So here coming to the electronegativity difference between B and A, that is 3.6 minus 0.9, so it is 2.7, which is always greater than 1.7, and hence it results in the formation of an ionic bond. So option C is the right answer. The relatively high boiling point of HF is due to, HF exhibits very high boiling point and that is totally due to the presence of strong hydrogen bonding. So option B, that is hydrogen bond, is the right answer. The outermost configuration of an atom is 2s2 2p6, then it can form. So outermost configuration is 2s2 2p6, that means it is having octet configuration. So in general, noble gases exhibits octet configuration and they do not form any chemical bond. So option C, no bond, is the right answer. What kind of bond is present in NaCl in solid phase? In general, NaCl exists as Na plus and Cl minus. So always an ionic bond is present in NaCl. So option B, that is an ionic bond is present between Na and Cl. The bonding between hydrogen and chloride in HCl molecule is, HCl in general contains covalent bond, that too it is a polar covalent bond. So because of the high electronegativity difference between the chlorine and hydrogen atoms, chlorine attains partial negative charge whereas hydrogen attains partial positive charge, and hence truly a polar covalent bond is present in HCl molecule. So option D is the right answer. Which of the following chemical bond is non-directional? Coming to the given options, A is ionic bond, it is non-directional, whereas covalent bond is directional. So option A, ionic bond, is the right answer. Which of the following compound contains triple bond? Again here we have to consider the structural formula. So coming to the H2, it contains single bond, oxygen contains double bond, HCl contains single bond, and nitrogen contains triple bond. So option D, nitrogen, is the right answer. What type of chemical bond is present between a metal and a non-metal? For example, when we consider NaCl, Na is the metal and Cl minus is the non-metal. So it consists of an ionic bond. Hence, always an ionic bond is present between a metal and a non-metal. So option C is the right answer. The inert gas that is found maximum amount in atmosphere is. So coming to the composition of air, it consists of major elements, minor elements. Coming to the minor elements, carbon dioxide and argon are the minor elements. So always argon is present at maximum amount in the atmosphere. So option A is the right answer. Remaining xenon, radon, krypton are present in the tracer proportions. The ion that contains coordination covalent bond is, especially coming to the ammonium ion, always a coordination covalent bond is present between ammonium ion. The ion that is isoelectronic with sodium plus ion is. Isoelectronic means contains same number of electrons. Sodium ion contains 10 electrons. We have to examine each and every ion. So coming to the option A, F minus means fluoride also contains 10 electrons. So option A is the right answer. Coming to the remaining options, option B, Cl minus, it contains 18 electrons, Mg plus contains 11 electrons. Coming to the option D, NO minus means 7 plus 9. So it contains 16 electrons. Which of the following compound has covalent bond? So LiF, NaCl, MgO contains an ionic bond, whereas water contains the covalent bond. Which of the following is called universal solvent? Undoubtedly, water is called as universal solvent. The formation of a chemical bond is accompanied by. So always the formation of chemical bond is accompanied by decrease in energy. So option B is the right answer. Except which of the following gas? All other noble gases have octet configuration. Octet configuration means 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. So especially coming to option C, that is helium, it contains only 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. So option C, helium, is the right answer. Formation of covalent bond is explained by. So covalent bond formation is explained by Lewis. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following compounds contains ionic, covalent and coordination covalent bonds? So let us examine each and every molecule. So in copper sulfate molecule, initially between copper ions and the sulfate ions, ionic bond is present. In the sulfate ion, both covalent and coordination covalent bonds are present. Coming to the ammonium chloride, so between ammonium ion and the chloride ion, ionic bond is present. In ammonium ion, both covalent and coordination covalent bonds are present. Coming to the potassium ferricyanide, in between potassium and this complex ion, always an ionic bond is present. In the cyanide ion, both covalent and coordination covalent bonds are present. So, option D, that is all, is the right answer. A chemical bond formed by the transfer of electrons is, it is called an ionic bond. Always an ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. The sodium atom becomes sodium ion by the dash of an electron. So, in general, sodium ion is formed from sodium by the loss of an electron. So, option B is the right answer. Which of the following bond cannot exist independently? Sigma bond, ionic bond, they exist, even single bond. But coming to the option C, pi bond will not exist independently. So, option C is the right answer. Nitrogen atom of ammonia contains how many lone pair of electrons? Actually, it can be written as NH3. Nitrogen contains one lone pair of electron. So, option A, 1 is the right answer. Covalent bond is formed by the, a covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electrons. So, option B is the right answer. Which of the following is an ionic compound? So, lithium fluoride is an ionic compound. So, option C is the right answer. The strongest hydrogen bonding is present in which of the following compounds? When you compare the given four options, in the first option, hydrogen bonding is present between hydrogen and oxygen. In the second compound, between hydrogen and sulfur. In the third option, hydrogen and nitrogen. In the fourth option, hydrogen bonding is present between hydrogen and fluoride. So, remember that fluoride being highly electronegative, the bond present between hydrogen and fluoride is strongest. So, strongest hydrogen bonding is present in HF molecule. So, option D is the right answer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.